I still remember vividly when we first met. I-orient sana kita on company procedures as the new employee. Kaso madami akong work. I would say sorry, pero busy talaga ako nun, promise. Hindi ko in-expect na magkikita ulit tayo after nun since magkaiba naman tayo ng department. But we did. Na-assign pa rin tayo sa same project.
First of all, I want to thank God for letting this day to happen. Lord, maraming salamat po. I was stuck in the saying, mag-aral ka ng mabuti para magkaroon ka ng magandang trabaho. At maraming babaeng maghahabol sa'yo. It's a prank pala. Kasi my age was about out of the calendar na, pero wala pa rin. I decided to focus on my career na lang at bahala na kung may dumating. And there was you, the best person come unexpectedly. Sa una, akala ko wala lang. Pero sa mga nakaw na tingin at titig ko sa'yo noon, ay tila unti-unting nahulog ang loob ko. Kasabay ng pagbuo ng planta, ay dahan-dahan ding nabubuo ang pagmamahalan na di ko inakala.
Akala ko nung una, friendly personality ka lang talaga kasi palagi mo ako dinadaldal. Habang nasa trabaho at pati na rin sa chat after work. Then suddenly you ask if pwede man ligaw. Bilang dalagang Pilipina na hindi pa nakaranas ng ligaw o jowa, I'll admit kinilig ako slight. You come off as a sweet and nice person, and I was excited to get to know you more. So I said yes. 2 months later, I would say my second yes to be your girlfriend. You made my first and last dating life fun and magical. You introduced me to a world beyond my own small one. You made me feel so special and loved every day, and you never forget to do so. I love that you take care of me as much as, or even more, as I do you. I never have to wonder whether you love me or not because your actions tell me best. So I would say my third yes when you asked me to marry you.
Ito na yung matagal ko hiniling sa may kapal na minsan isinantabi ko muna para sa karera. Ito na yung hiniling ko sa puong may kapal na pag binigay niya ay di napapakawalan pa. Ito na yung hiniling ko sa puong may kapal na sana'y panghabang buhay na.
We walked about while the whole world was sleeping.
I want to kiss you and hug you every day. I want to see your wonderful smile and innocence. I want to be your travel buddy na kahit anong bundok pa at gaano kataas ay aakyatin. I'm glad that I have you in my life. Ika nga sa kasabihan, good things come to those who wait.
I pray for your good health always. I wish you only success in your career as I will also support you all the way. I hope to be your best friend, your number one confidant, and most important of all, your home. My fervent wish is that I can watch you grow old, happy and content with the life we had built. I promise to annoy you every chance I get. I promise to always make you laugh to the best of my comedy skills. I promise to take care of you in all the ways that I can. I promise to love you for as long as our mortal lives will allow.
And all the lies dancing on your skin. And all I've done to hold you here again.
I cannot promise to find solutions to all your problems, but I can promise that I'll be there for you to face them. Gaano man kalaki at kahirap, ay hindi kita iiwan. At sa pagbuo natin ng ating sariling pamilya at tahanan, I promise to work together to be equal partners in life and to share everything I have as your husband, I am yours now and forever. At para sa paglalakbay sa buhay na ating kakaharapin, I promise to be open and honest with you at makikinig sa iyong mga saloobin at trend sa buhay. Lastly, I promise myself to you as your husband, friend, partners in life, to be with you as long as we live and grow. B, lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal kita ngayon, bukas at magpakailan.
If there is an afterlife, I will love you for all of eternity. If reincarnation exists, I pray that I am able to find you always and love you again. And again, for as long as I can. I love you, B.